So here we have the Nissan Note 1.2 Tecna Automatic on a 14 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But as you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot, and we can work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot area, you'll see we've got a 60/40 split folding rear seat and plenty of boot space. This tray will actually lift up to reveal even more space underneath. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, you get half leather seats. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the far left-hand side, we've got the rev counter. We have the speedometer in the middle, and then on the right hand side we've got the total miles on this car, which are 9,347, along with the fuel gauge, and it will show us what gear the car is currently in as well. Backing out to the steering wheel, we've got these stereo controls on the left hand side here, as well as the ability to answer and end phone calls. We also have voice activation for the phone, so once you pair up a phone, hit that button, ask it to dial someone in your contacts list, and it will do that for you. And then on the right hand side we've got cruise control and speed limiter just here. The main stereo unit over in the centre is where you set up your phone, amongst other things. So this car's got FM and AM radio. We have a CD player. You can connect up an auxiliary or USB device, and you can stream your music wirelessly should you wish to as well. One of the best things about this car, if we pop it into reverse, is the parking camera. So we've got a reversing camera on the right hand side here, and then we've got the 360 bird's eye view camera on the left hand side, and it goes one step beyond that. If we press the camera button, we have a front facing camera and the bird's eye view, or a front facing camera and then the front near side wheel for sort of low bollards in car parks and those sorts of things. We also have satellite navigation on this car as well. Working our way down, we've got the digital climate control, so you can adjust the temperature on the right, fan speed on the left here. That button to turn air conditioning on, it's on at the moment, so you can turn it off if you wish to, or you can hit auto and the car will maintain that temperature for you by overriding the fan speed as and when it needs to, and you can just turn auto off by adjusting the fan speed yourself from there. We then have the fully automatic gearbox just here. We can send the car into and out of eco mode, and when we do that, it will tell us on there that we've done so. And then we've got deadlocks just beside that, and a 12-volt charging socket underneath that cap. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.